So this week's word of the week for week number 35 is superset. Now superset is defined as performing two exercises back to back with little to no time in between. An example of a superset would be performing a bench press, then squatting right after. So make sure you guys get ready for your Fast 5 workout as well as your activity of the day, and we'll get started in just a moment. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So this week's Fast 5 workout number 9 consists of the following 4 exercises. Number 1, X's. Number 2, sumo squats. Number 3, Russian twist. And number 4, the dreaded burpees. So make sure you stay tuned and don't go anywhere. All right, so here we go. So for Fast 5 workout number 9, these are the 4 exercises you're going to do. Number 1, as I mentioned, was X's. So what you're going to do is you're going to start with your feet shoulder width apart, and what you're going to do is hop right in place, and then you're going to put your feet together, moving forward like this, and then you're going to open your feet up again like you're making a letter X. So again, together, open. So it's going to look like this in full motion. You're going to go hop, together, hop, together. So you're going to go back and forth, okay, making that X. Second, sumo squats. So instead of doing a regular squat, which is feet shoulder width apart, you're actually going to go a little bit wider than your shoulders, okay? And you're going to drop your bottom nice and low. All right, so we got those sumo squats. Then we got Russian twist. So we're going to go down to our mats if you have one. If not, that's okay. What you're going to do is slightly elevate your torso, your hands. You're going to go and touch together the floor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you're just gonna go back and forth, okay? That's Russian twist. And the dreaded burpee, yes. You guys knew it was coming sooner or later, okay? So if you do not know how to do a burpee, this is how I will step it out for you, okay? You can do this. First, you're gonna go ahead and pop your feet out. Again, you can do this in steps. You're gonna go down into a push-up-like position. So you're gonna place your hands going forward. Don't turn your wrist. As I mentioned, that could actually ruin your wrist. So go down, you're gonna kick your feet out, okay? Bring your feet in, and then jump up, okay? That's a burpee. Now this is how it looks facing you guys. Scoot this over a little bit. Again, I'm gonna step it out just so you can see it. Hands go down, feet go out, feet go in, and jump, okay? If you wanna make that more challenging, which it's just a recommendation, you guys can do it in one motion. So go down, feet out, pop your feet in, and jump. All right, so get ready to go. We'll start this Fast 5 workout in just a moment. We are starting in 3, 2, 1, go. If you guys have some chalk, you can make that. 2 circles up top, 1 in the middle, 2 circles on the bottom. If you have tape, you can do that as well. Heart rate climbing. All right, sumo squats with those feet up and go. Squat. And wider than your shoulders. As low as you can. Your legs are gonna feel really tight. Woo! Good job. Keep the work, my friends. Finish. Wherever you start in life, finish it. All right, getting down those Russian twist. Here we go, starting in 3, 2, 1, go. Number tap each side. Nice and slow. Try to keep your feet elevated and as straight as possible. Try not to hit the floor. Side to side. All right, let's go for the burpees. All right, so love you tomorrow. You did a push up one. Step, step. Show you the step up point. For the next round, I'll go into the pool. This is probably the least favorite exercise of anyway. All right, 1 minute break. I've yet to hear one person who says, absolutely love burpees. Haven't heard it. You know somebody? Drop a comment below, that's pretty awesome. Mr. Garcia, I'm a 50-50 on it. Some days I'll want to pop up and do it. Other days, not so much. Again, use this 1 minute break. Catch your breath, get some water. 30 more seconds. All right. Yeah, we're gonna start with number 1, X's. 2 sumo squats, 3 Russian twists, 4 burpees this time. I'm gonna add that push up into my burpee. Again, you guys go at your own pace, whatever you feel comfortable with. Oh my goodness. All right, here we go. Go. Remember, just finish. Don't quit. This is our last round. You got it. Come on. Do more reps than you did the first time. All right, sumo squats, let's go, wider. Remember to breathe. Let's get down, Russian twist. 2 more guys, let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. Side to side. Don't quit on me, just finish, let's go. Work hard. All right, let's go, burpees, last one. Everything you got. Woo. Everything you got. And time. Nice job. Give yourself a high five. Pat yourself on the back. If you have somebody there, fist bump. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that Fast 5 workout number 9. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Drop a comment below. What was your biggest challenge for this workout? What was your favorite exercise for this workout? I'd like to know, so drop a comment below. What exercises you would like to see, drop them down in the comment section. And as always, at the P spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So today we have a very fun game for you, and it is called the dunk tape. Now, most of you guys are familiar with this. You can throw an object or a ball at a certain target. From that target, a person is dropped into water. Well, we're going to do the PE version / at-home version of that, so make sure you don't go anywhere. So you're going to need our 2 buckets, 3 sock balls, a chair, and some water. Those are the only items you're going to need for this activity. So make sure you guys stay tuned, and we'll go and demonstrate in just a moment. All right, so for this activity, as I mentioned, we have our 3 sock balls. I have my target. It's going to be posted right here on my post, I guess you could say. I have my chair here, so if I make it in, Jordan's going to get a bucket to his head. So I'm going to go ahead and count about 5 to 8 steps, depending on what you guys have available. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to go ahead and do 8 steps back, overhand throw. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure I have my opposite foot forward, place my object up towards my ear, point at my target. I'm going to release and follow through. Every time I make this inside of the bucket, that is 1 bucket to Jordan's head. If I make the second one, that's 2 buckets to Jordan's head. If I make 3, Jordan gets 3 buckets to his head. And he's going to do the same thing for me, so we'll see how this game works out. Again, this is called Dunk Tank. So if your sock ball does come out of the bucket, as long as the sock ball goes in but it comes out, that will count. That's 1. Alright, so I got 2. Jordan's going to go next. 1, 2. Alright, so we both got 2. Stay tuned for our bucket drop on each other. Don't go anywhere. Oh, this is gonna be cold. Oh my god, I feel it. That's 1. Oh, this is beautiful on a hot day. Okay, hold on. And so I just got my 2 dunkings. Now it's Jordan's turn. He's gonna get 2 as well. 1, 2, 3.
Yay!
That's 1. We got 1 more for Jordan coming. Okay, hold on.
Yay! Come on.
1, 2, 3. Enjoyed that game of Dunk Tank, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Until next time, take care. 2, 1.